Step. Hi, Shamak. Welcome back. Hi, Sham. Hello, Sham. How are you, sis? I'm fine. How about you, Sham? Nice. I thought you were getting married. Yes. No. Not the no. Just the event here. That's it for the marriage. I'm okay. Cold here. Oh my god. It's cold. Getting married soon. Oh my god. Too cold. Miss you, miss. Hey, Evan Dalvin. How are you, sir?
Gabi na ang crave mo sa
Ha?
Gabi na.
Ano rin?
Crave mo sa mais.
Oh, naabot pa lang. Hello, Cheryl from Brazil. Hi, Leo from Brazil. Hot, hot in Philippines. Yes, hot here in the Philippines. Good morning, Sir David. More head darling. Hello, Cheryl. How was your day today? I'm in love today. Fun. Nice. I'm in love. Miss you, my love. Good miss. All started. I thought you're sleeping. I just wake up. I love you, miss you. Sir Efren, where are you from? So tell me about this. Water is so sexy. Efren. Honey, Harold. Hello, Harold. How are you? I'm fine, Sir Efren. I sit well. I sit well. I sit well. I see the 76. You are getting married soon, hopefully in October, yes. The 76. Girl. I love you. Who's the extremely lucky guy? His name is Michael. They call him Mike. The lucky guy, and I'm the lucky one. We like each other, something like that. Sana all. Yes, sana all. Yeah. The super duper tons of wow. Son, October. Yeah. We love each other. Super love. Wow, same name as me. Must be a good man if his name is Mike. It's you. Michael Roller. Hello from Brazil. It's my Michael Rollins, something like that. Send the kiss. No, no, don't send the kiss. Send super chat. Hi, yes, hon, it's me. Yes, it's you. Oh my God, no one, Michael and hi, Mano. Hi, Sheryl. Hi, Mano. Where you from? I forgot. I hope you will be missed. Hi, 14 people. Hi, Mano. Thank you for likes. Super duper. Thank you, 16 million in the house. 16 million. Elfra, where are you from? Thank you for to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Oh, pardon. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning to you, night here. Makibay di ka mo niyan. Bisperas niyan sa Burabot.
Oo nga, sabi ko nga basta may mga kilak ako doon, hindi pa ako nanigabi.
Yun lang.
May saro lang na chat, madadara ako niya.
Maangda ako niyan, hindi ako busy masyado. Super chat and membership available. Comments are free. Please be respectful to the host, everyone. Thank you, Thank you, hon. Yes, hon. Hello, nephew. Hi, hello, nephew. Ang gawin sa imo, nephew.
Hello, Angel. Mike.
Ano yung nephew? Nephew. Pamangkin na lalaki. Pag babae, pamangkin na babae. Nis. Sabihin mo, Uncle Kwan.
Uncle Mike.
Uncle Mike. Kwan and ano. Hey, it's culture training time. Get busy. Move your legs and oh shit, what the fuck? Hello post. Poster. Hey Neats. What's up? Hello pretty Jaila. Pretty Jaila. From mine. Hello pretty Jaila and baby Jaila. Posters oy. Fallen mate. Hi, fallen mate. Hi, Dai. Hi, Dai and Ding. Hi, Needs. How are you? How are you, Needs? What's up, Needs? How's Mike the Great? Mike is still great. It's still good. Mike is still good. Did he going now? Yes. He's home now. Is Olivia. Your connection bad na? Huh? Connection bad na? Sorry. Connection bad na? I'm away on holiday now. Okay. Connection good, Hersher. Okay. Han, our connection is still good. And great. Super, super good. Because not connect bad na. Na connect bad na. Huh? Your connection is dying too, huh? Yes, we always have awesome connection. Thank you, hon. Classic, hey. Nate's classic is his mic. Nate's. What happened? The connection is still good or the bad connection? Something like that. Hey Nets, how are you from my love? Your mic okay? Yeah, his mic. His name is Mike. The class. Hi, Shannon. Hi, Shannon. Welcome to the blue team from Sheryl, one and only. Hi, Shannon. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. The blue team. The blue team. Yeah, I'm a snooper. Hi, Shannon from my. Hi, Tumbles. Tumbles. JK. What's JK? Joke? It's a joke. It's JK. Did you enjoy the Philippine mic? Did you enjoy the Philippine? I think he liked Philippines. Nates. No, no, not like, not just the Philippines, not just the Philippines. I think. Where's Mike? Mike, come on. I think not just the Philippines. I like also me also something like. Mike, come on. Shannon here. Just sleep. Maybe resting. Might resting because I sleep late. Mike is here. Yeah, I'm asking him first. I don't know. Sometime really love the whole area where Cheryl lives. Yeah. Thank you. What happens to old people in my Hi, Ma'am Grace, like dances. Thank you, Ma'am Grace, for joining. You're yes, respect it. Yeah. Thank you, Ma'am. Hello, Shannon and Mike from Ma'am Grace. Mega love shout out from Ma'am Grace. GTV vlog. Cheryl, learn your place, lol. Yeah. Men are talking for. Okay, sorry. Your old people get older. As old people get older, yes, something like that. Sis, oh my god, you have Ma'am GTV. Thank you, Ma'am GTV. Nate, hey, I am trying to come off my drunk, huh? Hi, GTV from Mike. You're drunk na, Shannon? Mike from Shannon. You already drunk na, Shannon? Learn your place. We busy here. Okay. Let's see the rain. Yes, the rain is a 76. Wait. The 76. Nate. She keep it going when you're not here. Hi. One. Hello. Hey. Nate Substan from GTV vlog from Mom Grace. My teacher woman need to learn their place. Hello. Nice, Cheryl. Thank you, Mom GTV vlog. Thank you, GTV from Nate's True Life. What do you mean, Nate? I know my place. Never. Thank you, GTV from Nate's. Never. Cheryl going to bang bang me. Something like that. Oh, nice, Shannon from GTV. Ever say that? Maybe funny but disrespectful. Huh? Oh, what do you mean, Shannon? Oh, kulay. Oh. You can read. I won't say. What it means. Cheryl knows I'm good. What you mean, Shannon? Nate, I treat Cheryl equal. We are each just as important to each other. But Cheryl will be the boss. Shannon, what do you mean? Thank you, my love. Okay, Mike. What I read? Oh my god, maybe a boss vibes Filipino style yarn. Hmm. Mike Tucker already. Cheryl was laughing. Relax, Bon. Cheryl is the final boss. Final boss about Mike, but she have a boss. She have a past ex. She have an ex boss. He has an ex boss. Oh my god. I'm just saying. I'm giggle. No worries. Oh, okay. Giggles. I'm just saying men are taking its cultural thing in the Philippines. Philippines, okay. So beautiful, China. Hi, China. Okay, good. And giggle, no worries. No. Giggle, yarn. Philippines. Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines. Hey. Philippines. Philippines. So you were laughing about it. Hmm. Philippines. Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines. And I'm married to one Asians. Ah, okay. Ay, wow. Welcome to the Philippines. Hi, Sir Fred. Nah, never tell woman to know her place. It's bad news. Maybe that's why I became single. Maybe you don't handle the kwan. And then the ano. Mates, how much age? How much age? 41 million. Nate, since I'll be living there with Cheryl in her country, I need her to be in charge and teach me how to adjust her culture and slowly teach me the language. Yeah. Fred is telling us to share. I'm married to a midnight Asian, midget Asian. Hi, Sir Fred. Fred is back when Mike is here. Something like that. Hey, Mike, you ain't sleeping yet? From Sir Fred. Up there, Mike. Uh-oh, the bully man has arrived, everyone. No, he's staying with his lady Yarn. Yarn. The bully man. Come here. Stand up one time. Why? You want to see him a teeny tiny? So he's more bully than me. Ah, yeah. But he's bully than you. He's bully. Sheena, hit the super chat and she will stand. Yes, take care of that mic. Thank you, Shannon. Remember, her man is here. He don't care if my man is here. If he wants to bully. Sheena, oh hell yeah, Nate. I'm more bully, yeah. Yes. Fuck around and find out. Thank you, Shannon. So tell me, wait lang. Wait lang. Just talk. Long time no see, Shannon. Tell him, Shannon. Fuck around and Lul, Fred ready for a big throwback moment. Ah, yeah, Fred, you were too busy. Can't even get a word in advice and age-wise. Channel is blowing up. Throwback as in, Fred is the master bully man. Nobody can win. Trust me, I know. Caused me a lot of beer, Lul. Go Harry, welcome back. Hello, my heart. Your heart? Where's your heart? How's your heart? You understand what it means to wash clothes outside and run for kalibangon. Now, Mike, you're becoming sige-sige Filipino. And more to come, Mike. My husband alarm is going off and I'm not in bed. Oh.
Frontline Pilipinas, pinaatras at pinaalis kaming mga taga-media.
Kalay ba akong
Napapaligid din
sabukan?
kami ng mga tauhan ng PNP at ng Office of Sergeant at Arms. Ilan sa kanila may hawak na baril at nakasuot pa ng bulletproof vest.
Wala ito makaon. Pinakalig si Ma. Hi, Chris.
Sugat na yung May? Kamay? Sugat na May? Sila bawal? Dex?
Gila? Gila? Gila, luto na yan to. Up. Main. Kuha ka na lang dito. Come on, let's eat the corn. Hi, Nate. Delicious. Hi, Valmar's channel. Yeah, delicious. You're in trouble now, Shannon. Oh my god. What happened? Sorry, wife called. Huh? Okay. Do you better go to bed? Yes. Later. I'm going. Good night, Cheryl. Blessing, just jokes lang. Night, Mike and Bolly Fred. It's okay. It's fine. No worries. Nate. Take care, Mr. Blue. You're in trouble now, Shannon. From Serpent. Hi, Valmar channel. Hit that like and so if you enjoy Cheryl content. Thank you, Nate. Good night, Nate. Take care, Nate. From Shannon. From Mike. What's funny? When you sit and drink, it's okay. When you stand up, I'm stumbling. Shannon husband's alarm went off. She was running to the bed. She was running to the bed. Come on, let's eat now. Shannon, try not to stumble. Yeah. Try not to stumble, Shannon. I will just have to clean my thing and write him. Oh wow. How sweet. Shannon, maybe husband is feeling frisky. Lol. Shannon is smart. Clean and right. Wow. Oh my god. Shannon, maybe husband give. Remember that one, Cheryl, clean, wipe, and ride. Noted. Okay. Oh my god. The next episode, Sir Fred, I can do that. Okay, no worries. Follow. No need to wipe. Mike has ata. No share a clean wipe and getting Lol. Oh my god, Sir Fred. Lie. Where's Shannon? Ah, Shannon left.
Tama ka na daw!
Oh my god. Ah! What? Oh my god, I can't even. My god. She can't stop laughing. Oh my god. No, she's going to see Cam now, Mike. I mean, Cam. Something like that. Come on, Mike. Mike, you need to come back. Fred, we turn her into a monster. We. We. I didn't use my. Oh my god. Yes, we. You explain, I demonstrate. Oh my gulay. At least my counseling hadn't seen. My god. Oh my gulay. Cheryl, see, you've been missing for yeah. Yeah, something like that. I'm 41, but I'm oh my July. Not 41 years. Mike only wait till she was 18. My God. She so she missed it for 20 years but made up for a few years when you were there, Mike. Yeah, something like the kiss, something like that. Hey, tomorrow is a big day. I get a propose to my twin sister. Huh? Yeah. Huh? It's twice. It's twice to propose. You already proposed. My short tomorrow is my proposal and me accepting. So lucky his alarm just went off. Ah. But my legs are cold. No riding, Shannon. Great. Hi, Julie. Fred, I read on Mother's Day. Wow. Legs are cold because you're. Oh my god. My godness. Yes, need the heat. So tired of cold. Done. Go to scooter training here, Dunham. Where's my nephew? He needs to train you now. My nephew going to somewhere with friends. Go to shows. It's hot there. Yeah, hot here. Yes, Mike, she really needs to learn. Yeah. I think nephew going to meet girlfriend.
Matuda ako ah.
Not like that. Maybe, oh my God, no! Oh my God, what are you thinking? Boom, 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 let's go back to my room so we can do it all night and I can make you feel right. Boom, 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 let's go back to my room, going in the and you go, something like that. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my God. My nephew, 24 years old. My nephew, 24 years old. Yes. I'm going to eat my burger. Okay. Enjoy, Shannon. Enjoy your meal. Oh, he old enough for oh my God. Bye, Shannon. Thank you for joining. Bye, take care. Always. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. God bless. Bye bye, Shannon from Sir Fred. Take care, Shannon. Now go take care of hubby from. Oh, my nephew here. Oh my God. Should I talk to him how to please his girlfriend? Oh no, no, no. Oh my god, no. Stop. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Ah, no. No need to teach them. Oh my god. It's okay if maybe Mike tell them. Tell. Oh my god. No need to teach something like that. It's weird. Yeah, Fred. Maybe if you need. No need na. No. So it's okay for you, but not. No. No need to teach them. Oh my God. They do what they makes them happy. Not too much. Ay. Not something like that. Shara having a lot of fun right now. Wait lang. I just buy this because I felt unwarm. I'm waiting for someone. Hey, Nuzle. Hey, hi, Pusaka. Exactly what? He needs to know how to treat his woman properly. Then she will love him forever. No need to ano. If you know what, if you love someone, you you want you you be contented whatever he have, whatever he want, something like that. No, ah. Yes, like Sheryl will love you forever. What's up? Hi Pusaka, exactly. Hey Pusaka, I'm waiting for someone. Ah, you waiting? I meant hey Pusaka. Now that I have nothing to do, I think in morning just for. Oh my God. How my beautiful friend? Hi Pico side. Pico side. Yes, but give Ligi and she will love him much more. Hi Skinny. Yeah, hi. Hello. I miss you, my heart. Where's your heart? Hi, Tiny. Hi, Sultan. Thank you, Sultan. He's Sultan. Sultan Tail. Tail. Different or not? Sultan, different, not tail. Hey, heirloom. You're my puso. Okay. Tio is another person and Sultan is another one. Something like that. God. The counselor. The counseling, my godness. I can't move on, my God. Who Tio? Ah, Tio is our friend. Tio is a good friend here on YouTube. But Mike has Cheryl's heart, yeah. Mike. Tugudug, 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 something like Cheryl, what's on the phone next your window? Yeah, I'm watching my live. I'm always watching myself, Char. Her live stream mic, yeah. Hey, brother Fred from Sultan, yeah. Hey, Mike from Sultan. Sultan is another. He's also a friend here on YouTube. And Theo is another one. Ano. Anyway, guys, gotta go visit my other friends doing live. Okay, Pusaka, thank you for joining, Pusaka. God bless. Have a nice day. Hey, Sultan from Mike. Hello, Mike Mercado. Hi. Have a great night, yeah. Thank you, Pusaka. Okay, hello. Hello. Osaka, if you get time, check our Kiki's live tomorrow and see her name. New admirer. His name is Johnny. He said she's beautiful. Oh my god. Huh. Good morning, my love, from Louisa Luthar. Where are you from? Enjoy. Well, guys, enjoy the night. I will call wife and see how she's doing. Okay. Wow. Sir Fred is so sweet. Thank you, Sir Fred, for joining. Oh shit, Kiki just went live now, huh?
Malapit na kaming manalo, kaya ang ginawa ko kanina ay sagot ko lang minadali ko lang para mabilis kami.
Gigi. How you know? I just got my pics. Ah, okay. Wow. You subscribe here. Kiki is hot. Ah, okay. She is not live. I just checked. Yeah, Kiki is hot. He says I'm beautiful. Share later. Okay. Thank you for joining. Maybe another Kiki, hon? Yes, I subscribe. Want to see new relationship he is trying to get. Okay. I will try to hook up with Kiki Mike. Huh? Oh my god. You will try. But she has me blocked. So maybe it's only get notification of her lives. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. YouTube is weird. Remember when you block someone, you still have notification, something like that. So why need to block if you still receive notifications? So it's weird. Sultan, maybe she will love you on second day and want to marry on third day. Maybe she will love you on second day and want to marry on third day. My goodness. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. What are you doing, Han? Shit, Kiki live. Huh? She's live? Sultan, maybe she will love you on second day and want to marry you. Yeah, he's live. Kuha na, kuha na. I left her into in my garage so I can see. Ah, okay. Ha? So tell me where do it start? It's okay. It's okay for me, Mike. Kiki looks kinda hot. Wow. You will like her a lot. Sultan. Wow. Next time. Hey, now leave Kiki alone. Johnny wants her. Okay. Wait. Cowboy, you're crazy. Kiki is a hot commodity. Commodity. Oh, wow. Okay, it's up to you, Sultan. Your life, your choice. He is joking, sure. Ah, okay. Oh my God. Come on. Who would actually who would actually want her? Maybe Mike want her. Mike like KK. Sultan, I would rather be a lady boy than be with KK. Mike, you're already transgender on Friday. Yeah, only Friday. Only Friday. Oh, Bicol. I felt sleepy na. They said shut the brown out here for start 4 p.m. Go to 10 but still not brown out. What happened? That's why I'm sure getting tired. Yeah, I feel sleepy. Weaker one, higher weaker one. So then go to bed if tired. Yeah, I need to go to the bed. I need to go to the bed. I'm going to sleep. Or call your hubby. Okay, I need to call my hubby first. Answer me. Where? Share better charge both phones before brown out. Yeah. Okay, I will answer. Yes, my boss. Bye bye. I need to. I'll talk to my hubby now. Thank you so much.